Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple process of sending a picture with text on Discord from your Android device. Whether you're sharing a funny meme or a memorable moment, it's easy to do. Let's dive in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat or server where you want to send your picture. This could be a direct message to a friend or a channel in your favorite server. Now, look for the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the chat field. Give it a tap. You'll see some options pop up. Select Gallery from the list, and you'll be taken to your device's photo gallery. Choose the picture you want to send. Once you've selected it, you'll be back in the chat window. Here's where you can add a personal touch. Type your message in the text field. This is a great place to add context, or a witty comment about the photo you're sharing. Finally, when you're ready to send both your image and message, tap the send icon, which usually looks like a paper airplane. And that's it. Your picture, along with your text, is on its way. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord. Happy chatting.